To create and send a group text on Android, start by opening the Messages app on your device. This app may be labeled as Messaging, SMS, or MMS, depending on your phone's manufacturer. Once you have opened the app, tap on the Start Chat button, which is usually represented by a pencil icon or a plus sign. Next, select the New Group option from the menu. You will then be prompted to add contacts to your group. You can do this by typing in the names or phone numbers of the people you want to include in the group. You can also select contacts from your phone book by tapping on the Contacts tab. As you add contacts to your group, they will be listed at the top of the screen. You can add up to a certain number of contacts to a group, depending on your phone's capabilities and your carrier's limits. Once you have added all the contacts you want to include, type your message in the text box at the bottom of the screen. You can add text, images, videos, and other media to your message by using the various buttons and menus available. When you are finished composing your message, tap the Send button to send it to the group. The message will be delivered to all the contacts in the group, and they will be able to respond to the group as a whole. It is a good idea to keep your group texts organized by giving them a clear and descriptive name. You can do this by tapping on the group name at the top of the screen and selecting the Edit Group option. From here, you can change the group name, add or remove contacts, and customize other settings. When sending group texts, it is also important to be mindful of the size and content of your messages. Large messages with many images or videos can be slow to send and receive, and may not be delivered to all contacts in the group. It is also a good idea to keep your messages concise and relevant to the group, to avoid overwhelming or annoying the other contacts. By following these steps and best practices, you can create and send group texts on Android quickly and easily. This can be a useful way to communicate with multiple people at once, and can be especially helpful for coordinating events, planning meetings, or simply staying in touch with friends and family.